niya. Kasama na rin ang mga anak ko. Yun lang ang wish ko sa kanila. Na sana maging masaya sila sa buhay nila habang buhay sila. Walang dumating sa kanila na pangyayari na masama. So yan lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Pasensya na po kayo. Hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya.
Thank you so much, Lola. And right now, the last message from our grandparents, from the family of Daddy Mark. Where's the Lola from the family of Daddy Mark? One. We're gonna keep this moving, and of course, again later on, as I said earlier, we're gonna blow the candle of Sophia Amber.
May gabi sa tanan, especially sa mga bisita. Ang ako ikasulti sa akong apo na magdako nga but ang liwat kay Lola. Lola lang. Kaya salamat. Ang akong ipangayig yun sa Ginoo. Good health always. Ang akong apo na walay mga kakulian. Maura dyan ang akong ipangayog. Wala na gudahin. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, we would like to invite Mommy and Daddy here in front to blow our candle. And if we're singing everyone, please all rise up. Tayo po tayo lahat, and we would like to invite as well si Uncle Sukarno. Dito po tayo sa Higbayan to have our prayer of our food later on. Now, sabay-sabay po natin kantahan ng birthday song si Amber in my signal. Sabay na po natin yung tugtog. And 1, 2, 3, music please!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Now let's do it faster this time! Shout being aloud, happy birthday! Alright, and of course, please remain standing because we will have our prayer to bless our meals believed by Ustaz Sukarno. Thank you so much. Ayan. Alright, we would like to request si Mommy and Daddy dito ulit sa harapan. So this time, before po tayo makaproceed sa ating buffet, we're gonna have a table by table photo. But of course,